Hi guys and welcome back to my channel. So for all those who are new to my channel, my name is Shubheksha and I post videos on Mondays and Thursdays. So for today's video, I'm going to be showing you a tutorial on this makeup look that you see right here. So this is a very nice, outgoing, warm, neutral kind of makeup look that you can wear to any party, any day out with friends or even to your family dinner. And I hope you like and enjoy the makeup tutorial. So without further ado, let's get down into the video now. So guys, as you can see, I have moisturized my face and my lips before getting down into the makeup. So the first thing that I'm going to do is going to apply this Colorbar Perfect primer. And I'm just going to put it on all my areas which has large pores and on my T-zone because this is the most oily part of my face, and I'm just going to take a little bit of it and I'm just going to apply it all over my face to provide a shield between my makeup and my face. On my T-zone, little bit on my cheeks, now I'm going to be taking this Maybelline Super Stay 24-hour foundation, and this is a very good foundation for if you're looking for medium to full coverage. So I'm just going to take 2 pumps of this foundation on my hand. On my neck as well. Guys, never forget your neck, because if your face and your neck is of a different color, once you put makeup on your face, it's going to look very bad and people are going to notice. So now I'm just going to take this beauty blender and I'm just going to blend all the foundation. Just going to use my concealer now, and the concealer I'm going to use is the Maybelline Instant Age Rewind Concealer, and I'm in the shade medium. So I'm just going to put this concealer, I'm just going to put it underneath my eyes, on my T-zone, on my forehead and on my chin, and the areas where you can see a little bit of darkness. Now, in order to set all the makeup in place, I'm going to be using this L'Oreal Matte Magique Compact Powder, and I'm in the shade G1 in this. I'm just going to use it all on the areas where I had applied my concealer. I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild brush, which is for powder, and it's a very nice fluffy brush. So I'm just going to swirl it in the powder. I'm just going to tap it off and use it. I'm going to be using this eyebrow pencil to define my brows now. So this is the Benefit Goof pencil in the shade 5. So I'm just going to use the spoolie side of it and I'm just going to brush my eyebrows really well, so that I can get the excess powder out of my brow hair. I'm just going to fill in all the areas and define it. So for my eyeshadows today, I'm going to be using this Wet n Wild eyeshadow palette, and I'm just going to be using this Real Techniques buffing brush, and I'm just going to use the upper transition shade. Now Now I'm just gonna take a fluffy blending brush. This is the Pro Art PE23 brush, and I'm just gonna be using this shade right here as on my crease line. And after that, I'm just gonna take this fluffy blending brush from PAC, and I'm gonna use this orange shade right here and put it all over my lids. Then I'm just gonna take a flat blending brush from PAC as well, and then I'm just gonna use this same transition shade to put on my waterline. So once I'm happy with my eyeshadow, I'm just gonna make a wing liner by using the Lakme Insta liner today. So once you're happy with your wing liner, I would just now move on to putting a mascara. So for today's mascara, I'm going to be using this Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. So now I would just move on to contouring my face now. For that, I'm just going to use the Hoola Bronzer from Benefit. Now I'm just going to apply a blush. So this blush is from Flower Beauty, and the shade name is Sweet Pea. Now I'm just going to use a highlighter, and for today's highlighter I'm going to be using this Maybelline Master Chrome highlighter, and I'm in the shade Rose Gold. You can see how blinding this highlighter looks, guys, and I'm just going to put it on the high points of my cheeks and my face. And now to finish off the look, I'm just going to use a lipstick now. So for my lipstick, I'm going to be using this Miss Claire lip cream, and this is in the shade 58. So with that, this was my finished look, guys, and I hope you enjoyed the tutorial. So without further ado, please subscribe to my channel. Please like, share, comment and hit that bell icon so that you get notified every time I post a new video. And I hope you like this look. And till then, I would see you in my next video, guys. Be positive and keep sharing love. Bye, guys.